Hi, this is Gayatri Devi. Me and my teammates did a case study on mobile satellite communication. Satellite. Satellite is a body that orbits around another body in space. There are two different types of satellites, natural and man made. Examples of natural satellites are the Earth and Moon. The Earth rotates around the Sun and the Moon rotates around the Earth. A man made satellite is a mission that is launched into space and orbits around a body in space. Examples of man made satellites include the Hubble Space Satellite and the International Space Station. Mobile satellite communication. Mobile satellite communication is rendered from the radio station installed in ground, maritime, or air mobile entities to the other radio station via the artificial satellite. For example, it's possible to communicate from a ship on the ocean to a home or an office. Mobile satellite communication is enabled different kinds of artificial satellites. Mobile satellite communication is the communication system of mobile satellite service. MSS. Classification of orbits. The four different types of satellite orbits are geostationary Earth orbit, medium Earth orbit, low Earth orbit, highly elliptical orbit. Geostationary Earth orbit GEO. Geostationary satellites have a distance of almost 36,000 km to the Earth. Examples are almost all the TV and radio broadcast satellites, any weather satellites, and satellites operating as backbones for the telephone network. Objects in GEO moves around the Earth at the same speed as the Earth rotates. This means geostationary satellites remain in the same position relative to the surface of Earth. Medium Earth orbit MEO. A MEO satellite situates in orbit somewhere between 6,000 km to 20,000 km above the Earth's surface. It is used for GPS and other navigation applications. HTS MEO have been developed to deliver low latency, high bit data connectivity to service providers, government agencies, and commercial enterprises. Muse satellites bring fiber like performance to remote areas where laying fiber is not variable, such as cruise, commercial, maritime, aero, offshore platforms. Low Earth orbit. LEO satellites are much closer to Earth than geosatellites, ranging from 500 to 1500 km above the surface. LEO satellites do not stay in fixed position relative to the surface and are only visible for 15 to 20 minutes each pass. LEO is densely populated with thousands of satellites in operation, primarily addressing science, imaging, and low bandwidth telecommunication needs. The next generation of HTS LEO satellites to service communication markets such as consumers and enterprise broadband internet. Highly elliptical orbit HEO. The high Earth orbit satellite is the only non-circular orbit of the four types. It's under 1000 kilometers and a high altitude, often over 35,786 kilometers. HEO satellite operates with an elliptical orbit with a minimum maximum altitude similar to GEO and minimum altitude similar to the LEO. The HEO satellites used for the special application where coverage of high latitude location is required. Types of mobile satellite services MSS. Land mobile satellite service, maritime mobile satellite service, broadcast mobile satellite service, aeronautical mobile satellite service, personal mobile satellite service. Land mobile satellite service. The land mobile satellite service has a mobile earth station located on different types of trains and other transportation systems. This service consists of a personal location terminal that acts as a earth station. This service can be used in different applications such as military application, remote and rural environment. Maritime mobile satellite service. This service consists of different types of earth stations such as mobile earth station, ship earth station and communication earth station. This service is mainly used in shipyards and military ships. Broadcast mobile satellite service, audio and video broadcasting, data broadcasting. Broadcast satellite system service is one-way radio communication solution that transmits signals by earth station and retransmits the signals by a space station. Aeronautical mobile satellite service. A mobile satellite service is in which earth stations are located on board aircraft, survival aircraft, airplanes, and helicopters is known as aeronautical mobile satellite service. Personal mobile satellite service. This is a communication service provided by the satellite for supporting mobile, fixed, and broadband communication system. Diffraction. Diffraction occurs when a wave encounters an obstacle or a slit. It is defined as the bending of waves. It includes sound waves, water waves, and electromagnetic waves. Transmission impairment. Signals imperfection while transmission cause impairment. The signal at the beginning and at the end of media are not same during impairment. Attenuation and attenuation distortion. Attenuation is an increasing function of frequency. To avoid error at the receiver, the signal maintain a level higher than the noise. At higher frequencies, attenuation is greater and it causes distortion, loss of signal strength with time. In media, this is loss of signal strength with distance. Noise, a major limiting factor in communication system, performs any unwanted signal that are inserted somewhere between the transmission. Excessive dippling human, animal and machine created environmental noise. Categories of noise. Thermal noise is due to thermal agitation of electrons. It is present in all electronic devices and transmission media and is a function of the temperature. Thermal noise, intermodulation noise. Uh, an unwanted coupling between signal paths. It can occur when unwanted signals are picked up by microwave antennas. Conclusion. The effectiveness and strength of satellite communications are achieved through mobile application, where attractive fiber optical communication cannot complete at any price. In addition to mobility, satellite systems are fast to install, lower in cost to operate eventually, and they are distance independent. Whether a satellite system is low Earth or geosynchronous orbit, worldwide coverage is instant. And these are the reference for mobile satellite communication. Thank you.